Clear Care Plus Cleaning and Disinfecting. Product details. Clear Care Plus Cleaning and Disinfecting Contact Lens Solution provides powerful cleaning and disinfecting with long-lasting moisture. After cleaning your lenses with the power of peroxide, your lenses are neutralized into a gentle saline solution much like your own tears but without the chemical preservatives found in multi-purpose solutions. You can even see it working. Our proprietary HydraGlyde Moisture Matrix wraps your soft lenses in long-lasting moisture for a fresh lens feeling. Clear Care Plus contact solution is also preservative-free, keeping your eyes refreshed without harmful chemicals. Shop the entire Clear Care assortment of eye care products online or in-store at Walmart. Choose Clear Care, the #1 doctor-recommended hydrogen peroxide solution. Contact lens disinfectant from the #1 doctor-recommended peroxide brand. Contact cleaning solution with 3% hydrogen peroxide. Triple action cleaning, deep cleans, loosens dirt, and enhances protein removal. With proprietary HydraGlyde Moisture Matrix for long-lasting moisture. Includes special Clear Care contact lens case. Platinum disc inside case neutralizes solution into a gentle saline solution, much like your own tears. For all soft and RGP contact lenses. Instructions. Essential steps for cleaning and disinfection. To ensure proper cleaning and disinfection of your lenses, you must follow the instructions completely. Do not skip any steps. Always wash, rinse and dry your hands before handling your lenses. 1. Remove and place each lens into the appropriately marked L/R domed lens holder. Thoroughly rinse with Clear Care Plus for 5 seconds. 2. Fill the Clear Care Plus lens cup to the fill line with Clear Care Plus and place the lens holder in the lens cup. Do not underfill or overfill. 3. Tighten the cap on the Clear Care Plus lens cup and store lenses for at least 6 hours.